Hi, my YouTube family. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well in your lives. In today's video, we are going to create hoop earrings, and I will also share the inspiration behind this beautiful design. To make these earrings, we will need a wire, hoops, and rhinestone chain. First, take a hoop earring and place the rhinestone chain in the center. Wrap the wire around the hoop. Make sure it wraps neatly and secures the chain in place. Continue wrapping until the chain is centered and securely attached. Now let me share the story of where I get the inspiration. Last night I was watching a thrilling Turkish series when I was distracted by prosecutor's stunning earrings. They were undoubtedly not handmade. I could make something like that. So using some rhinestone chain and a bit of creativity, I made my own version of these earrings. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration and handmade projects. If you love handmade jewelry, tutorials, this channel is definitely for you. Stay happy, stay creative, always keep shining. Bye bye.